That's the sound of you outsmarting winter on Blizzak tires. And right now, you can get a $50 value American Express gift card by mail when you purchase a set of 4 eligible Bridgestone Blizzak tires from a participating Bridgestone retailer. Think of it as some extra spending power just in time for the holidays. Offer good until December 4th. Restrictions and limitations apply. See your Bridgestone retailer for complete details. Woodstock Tire is your Bridgestone dealer at 701 North Avenue, Woodstock Tire, online at woodstocktire.com.